Open your notebook. Good morning, everyone. Good
Ma'am, revision
morning.
or normal
Good morning,
notebook?
Revision notebook. Good morning. So, children, as you all know that in the beginning, first we do the revision of the previous topic and then we start the new concept, right? Okay. So, please open your revision notebook. I am going to present my screen. Today we are going to revise the topic face value and the place value. Is my screen visible to you all? Is my sheet visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you all write today's date here?
Yes, ma'am.
14
Yes, ma'am.
June. And write revision 3, C.W, chapter 1, place value and the face value is today's concept. Okay. So now I will ask one by one to you all the answers and I will write here. You also please copy it down in your notebooks. Okay. First will be given by, is Hansel here in the class? Is Varenya there in the class? My dear students, if I say please give me answer, you are there in the class or not? Varenya? Varenya?
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Varenya, I am showing you the screen. Please give me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the place value of 2 here?
Ma'am, 100.
Not only 100. 100 is the place, not the place value. When the number is multiplied by its place, gives you the place value is 200. Got it, Varenya?
Okay, ma'am.
If you write only 100, your answer will be wrong. Everyone got it? Show me thumbs up or tell me yes or no. Are you all clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Varina, mute your mic, please. Children, are you all clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next child is Khush Desai.
Yes, ma'am.
Khush Desai, what will be the face value of this number, underline number?
Ma'am, it will come the face value, no?
Hmm.
Ma'am, it will come to
Yes, it will be 2 only.
2.
Face
Only 2.
value is the number itself.
Yes, ma'am. 2.
Are you all clear? Please tell me yes or no, students. Then I will move to the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Next child, Dirk Patel. Dirk Patel,
Yes, ma'am.
give me the answer of next underlined digit in the next sum. Place value.
Yes, ma'am. 20,000.
Very good. 2 multiplied by, please show with the multiplication so that you will not get confused. 2 multiplied by 10,000. Mute yourself now. Is 20,000. And Dev Patel, what is the face value of this number? Dev Patel.
2.
Very good. Children, please write along with me in the notebooks. Faster. Next will be given by Heer Patel. Heer, what is the place value of the given number?
50.
Very good. 5 multiplied
5
by,
multiplied by 10 is equals to 50.
excellent, is equals to 50. And next child, Janya. Janya. Janya, are you there in my class? Children, Janya is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Janya, give me the face value of this underlined digit.
5.
Very good. And Janya, I request you to join my class daily because I have
Okay,
noticed
ma'am.
you are coming in on the alternate days. So please join the class daily. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
And send your work timely.
Okay.
Next will be given by Kiana. Kiana, what will be the place value of the underlined digit? Kiana is there in the class? Children, when I present, I'll not able to see you all. So please give me the answer.
And now, Ma'am, Kiana is there.
Yes,
And
Kiana.
now she ended. Yes, ma'am, Kiana is there. But I
Yes.
think she's facing a problem.
Okay. Next, Navya Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Please give me the answer of this one. Place value
2,000.
2000.
No, 20,000.
Yes. 2 multiplied by 10,000. It's its place. उसकी place 10,000 है. So the answer is 20,000. Next child, Mohammed Patel. Mohammed Patel.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am Yog.
Yes.
Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse
First
me,
Yug
ma'am.
will speak, then Prayag will speak. Yes, Yug, please tell me.
Ma'am, I was saying that I am out of the Surat, so I can't write.
Okay. So I will send this worksheet in the classroom in the revision folder. Then you copy it down after the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Next child. Yes, Prayag, you were saying me something.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
but in the second one,
पूछ रहा है
Just a minute.
पूछ
Just,
रहा है
who is this? Wait a minute.
Muhammad, ma'am.
Mohammed, mute yourself for a minute. Then I will call your name. Yes, Prayag.
Ma'am, in the second question, you have written 2 multiplied by 1,000. It will be 10,000, now.
No, 2 multiplied by 1,000 is 20,000, no? It will be 10,000. Sorry. I have forgot to put 10 here. Got it now? Now is coming clear? Show me yes. Tell me yes or no, because when I present, I'll not able to see
Yes,
you.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Mohammed Patel. Mohammed Patel.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
I will show you the screen. You will give me the answer, and I request you not. No one will speak near to you, right? Please. Now give me the what will be the face value of this 2 in the fourth one?
4.
Place value of 2. फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2. द 2 नंबर इज अंडरलाइन नंबर है ना, उसकी फेस वैल्यू क्या होगी? व्हाट विल बी द फेस वैल्यू? मोहम्मद पटेल, फेस वैल्यू किसी भी नंबर की, वो किसी भी प्लेस पर हो, उसकी फेस वैल्यू वही नंबर होती है. गॉट इट? अगर मैं 2 की फेस वैल्यू पूछ रही हूँ तो 2 ही उसकी फेस वैल्यू है. समझ आ रहा है मोहम्मद पटेल? यस और नो? टेल मी मोहम्मद.
Yes.
Yes, 2 is the face value of this number. Next will be given by Meet Prohit. Meet Prohit,
Yes, ma'am.
give me the place value of the fifth one.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Tell me
Ma'am?
fast. Yes.
I have network issues, so my camera is off.
Okay.
10,000.
It's 10,000 is the place value I am asking.
Ma'am, 8 multiplied by
8 multiplied by 10,000, right? Yes or no,
Ma'am,
Neil? Yes or no?
I can say face value.
Wait. So what will come in?
Ma'am, 80.
Hmm.
80,000.
Children, is he correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
yes
ma'am.
or no?
Yes,
Tell
ma'am.
me the face value or no?
8. Ma'am, face value is 8.
Yes. Please write down in your notebooks, everyone. I request you to show in this way only multiplication, then only you will clear with this what is the place value. जब आप place value multiplication करके ही दिखाएंगे, it will be clear to you also. Otherwise, I have noticed many of the time you only write 10,000, 100,000, whatever the place. You only write the place. You're not writing the place value. I will show you 1 or 2 minutes more here on the screen. Please copy it down faster.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
First Ahana speak, then Varenya Varija will speak.
I have said because there is written with your microphone, it is get something wrong. So I have te- te- che- I want to check something that my microphone don't get.
So Ahana, right now don't do with the microphone anything. Mute yourself and start writing it. What is here on the screen?
I done.
Okay,
My work is done.
okay, thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes, 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 Varenya Varija, you were speaking something.
Ma'am, actually, I wrote the fifth answer on the fourth one.
No problem. Then on the fifth one, write the fourth one. Then
Ma'am, I
do the,
wrote it.
do the sums.
Ma'am, I'm done.
You can change the series of the sums, no problem. But the number and the digit should be same.
Okay, ma'am. Can I drink water?
Yes, please. I
Excuse me.
also will. Yes.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done.
Good. Good.
Ma'am, I have done.
1 minute more, students. Then I'll stop the presentation, and then you will get this worksheet in the classroom in your revision folder with the revision number 3 heading. Please attach your classwork also. I have noticed many of you are not attaching your classwork. It's a request. Please attach your classwork because I am keeping a record in my register. I will note down your name there, whether you are submitting your work or not. You will be graded on the basis of that, how much you are attentive in the class, how much you are paying attention, how much timely sending your work, answering in the class. You all know you will be graded on the basis of all these criterias. Okay, now I'll stop the presentation. It's 10:29. Now listen to me very, very carefully. So children, now open your maths classwork notebook. As you all know that we are doing chapter number 2, long and short. In that we have learned to first identify the objects on the basis on their lengths. Which object is shorter, which is longer. Then we, after that, after identifying the objects on the basis of length, what we have learned next? What was our next topic on this long and short? Yes, Arnav Desai, you want to speak something?
Excuse me, ma'am. I write in my notebook, classwork notebook. You said this. I write in classwork notebook.
Face revision in the revision notebook only every day. And the classwork in the class notebook.
Ma'am, I write a class notebook in
But why you
revision.
have not listened? Why you have not listened?
Ma'am, because my network is sometimes.
We are not doing the revision first time. This is the third revision we
Yes.
are doing. So you
Yes,
should know,
ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am. The first and two worksheets is
Now
there.
you change this work in the revision notebook. Okay.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
let me. Yes,
Can I
Varija.
go to washroom?
Yes, please. I am going to start the new topic then. It will be your lookout now.
Ma'am, I will come fast.
Yes. So, children, first we have learned how to identify the objects on the basis of their lengths. Right? By observing it, we have compared the which is shorter and which is longer. What we have done in our next class, who will tell me? We have learned how to measure the lengths with the help of the instruments. Yes or no? We have learned how to measure the lengths of the objects with the standard method and the non-standard method. Right now in the third class we are doing how to convert the units. You all know units which are using in the lengths: meters, centimeters, kilometers. So first we will learn how to convert the meters into centimeters. 1 meter equals to how many centimeters, Arnav Desai?
Ma'am, 100 centimeter.
Okay, very good. Hit Kasodia, 2 meter is equals to how many centimeters?
Ma'am, 200.
Very good.
200 meters.
Very good. 200 centimeters, not meters, because 2 meters you are converting into the centimeters. Rishik Bajaj, 3 meter, how many centimeters?
Ma'am, 300.
Very good. Just a minute. Next child. Yes, Prayag Trivedi. Prayag, 11 meters equals to how many centimeters?
1100 centimeter.
1100 centimeter. Very good. Now, next child. Wait. Mohammed Patel. Mohammed Patel. Mohammed Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
6 meter equals to how many centimeters?
600.
600 centimeters. Very good. And suppose if I tell, listen my question carefully. If I tell you 7 meter, convert, please raise your hand if you know the answer. Convert 7 meter 58 centimeter into the centimeters. 7 meter 58 centimeter into the centimeters. In this, something is given in the meters and something is given in the centimeters. So what you will do in this case? 7 meter 58 centimeter ko convert it into the centimeters. How you will convert?
I don't know.
Anyone knows?
Ma'am, it will be 708
It will
centimeters.
700.
Ma'am, 758.
Yes, very good. First, you need to wait a minute. I'll show you.
Ma'am, 758 centimeter.
Yes. Wait, I'll show you on my screen. Can you all see the question number 1? Convert the following measurements into the centimeter. Is it visible to you all?
Ma'am, we have to write this in our
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am, it is visible.
Now let me give the common instruction to you all. Take out your maths classwork notebook. Write the today's date here. Not 12, write today's 14. Okay, write the classwork. Write long and short chapter number name and the number. Next, first question is convert the following measurement into the centimeters. 3 centimeters. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 3 multiplied by 100 equals to 300 centimeters. Next is 11. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So 11 multiplied by 100 is equals to 1100 centimeters. Now, I was asking this one, 7 meter 58 centimeters. Please mute yourself. In this, something is in meters and the something is in centimeters. So what you will do, you will only convert the meter into the centimeter. That is 7 multiplied by 100. is 700, but 58 is already in centimeters, so directly add 700 plus 58 is 758 centimeters. As is question number C is clear to everyone?
Excuse me, ma'am, what is the date?
What is the date, Varinya? See in your laptop. Check there.
14.
Yes. Are you all clear with the C question, everyone? Why we are not changing 58?
Yes, ma'am.
Because 58 is already in centimeter. We only add 58 directly in the 700. Now comes the question number 2. Children, first let me explain and then I will present the screen again from the beginning. Question number 2 is convert the following measurement into meter and centimeter. Now, here the 645 is already in centimeters. You need to convert it into the meters. Centimeter is a smaller unit. Meter is a bigger unit. From smaller unit, you convert it into the bigger unit, means into the meters. You divide this by the 100. So when you divide any number, for example, if you divide 645 divided by 100, so what you will do directly, either you divide it or either you can do it directly also. 100 is having two zeros. So from the back, 2 digit will go in the centimeters and the remaining number of digits will go in the meters. So it will be 6 meter 45 centimeter. Am I clear to you all till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is 6,549 centimeter converted into the meter and centimeter. So always divided by 100. So 49 will go in the meters and the remaining number of digits, which is 65, will go in the meters. So 65 meters 49 centimeters will be the answer. I told you before also when I was showing you the division, we were learning the division. Any number divided by the number which is having zeros. So see the number of zeros and separate the digits from the question. So 49 will be your remainder. 65 will be your question. So that is why 65 meters and 49 centimeters. Got it? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Please copy it down now in your notebook faster. I'm presenting it from the beginning.
Your first time.
3 meter equals to 3 multiplied by 100 is equals to 300 centimeters. Any number multiply by 100 give you the answer in the centimeters. If you take 65 meters, 1000 meters multiplied by the 100, add the two zeros at the back of that number. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Arnav Desai. 8 meter, how many centimeters?
Ma'am, 800 centimeter.
Very good. Next child. Wait a minute, I'll call the child name. Rishik Bajaj. Rishik Bajaj. Rishik Bajaj, are you there?
Ma'am, he has phasing problem.
Okay, Laisha. Laisha.
Yes, ma'am.
12 meter, how many centimeter?
1,200.
Very good. Khush Desai.
Yes, ma'am.
62 meter, how many centimeter?
Ma'am, 62,000 centimeters.
62,000.
Sorry, ma'am.
62 meter only, and how many
62
centimeters? No, but how many centimeters when you convert it?
Ma'am, 62,000 centimeters.
It will not be 62,000, 6,200. Got it? If you do 62,000, then 3 zeros will come, na? Yes or no, Khush?
Yes.
So what will be the answer?
Ma'am, I want to washroom. 6,200.
Yes, please go.
I want
Kavisha, please go. Kavisha,
Yes, ma'am.
Kavisha, tell me 70 meters converted into the centimeters.
70,000 centimeters.
70, how 70,000, my dear children? You are adding just two zeros. 70 में two zeros add करोगे.
7,000.
Yes. Please be particular when you are giving the answer to me. Hanshil Jariwala. Children, is Hanshil is there in the class? Okay. Hit.
Ma'am, may I?
Which child is
Ma'am,
this?
may I, Rishik?
Rishik, yes.
Ma'am,
Rishik.
Rishik.
Rishik, 54 meter, how many centimeters?
Yes, ma'am, Hansel is there in class.
Wait, I will ask. Rishik, 54 meter, how many centimeters?
Ma'am, 5,400.
Excellent. Hit Kasodia. Hit Kasodia. Children, if you don't answer, no, you know what grade I will give it to you? Children, can I scroll it down?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you can scroll down.
Faster. Hit Kasodia. I will move to next child. Varinya.
Yes, ma'am.
13 meter, how many centimeters?
13 meters. Ma'am, it's 1300 centimeters.
Very good. Next is Varija. Varija. Varija.
Ma'am, she's answering. Me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, our house lighter is gone, so my Wi-Fi. Yes, ma'am. I have
Which,
joined.
which child is this?
Ma'am,
Okay. Hit, I will ask afterwards.
excuse me, ma'am. The converting measurement it is 6 only. Next, the question number 2 you can so why done it is first one question.
First one is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I scroll for the second one?
Ma'am, what I can say what?
Please, yeah, wait, I will ask from you, Varija. Varija, you tell me 92 meters. How many centimeters?
92 meters is 9200 meters.
Okay.
100 centimeters, sorry.
Centimeters. Okay. Next is
Excuse
Deep.
me, ma'am. Can you
Yes.
show me the second one?
Next is Deep. Do
Can you
fast.
show?
Write the numbers. Please mute yourself. Lot of disturbance is there, my dear. Lot of disturbance is coming.
11.
Mute yourself first of all, everyone. Mute, please.
1 meter.
Varina, Varija, mute yourself, please. Deep Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Deep Patel, the question is, listen it carefully. 9 meters, 72 centimeter, convert it into the meters, convert it into the centimeters. 9 meters, 72 centimeters.
972.
Very good. Consenting. Yes.
And can I go to washroom?
Yes, please go. Heer Patel.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you scroll down?
Only 2 questions are there in the question number 2. I will send this classwork also in your class, in your folder with the today's worksheet also. Next child. Heer Patel, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, here you tell me 6 meter 32 centimeter. Convert it into the centimeters. 6 meter 32 centimeter.
600 meter 32 centimeter.
Yes, so you will say 632 centimeter together.
Yes.
है ना?
Yes.
Next child, Kiana Patel. Kiana, are you there in the class? Kiana, are you there in the class? Kiana is not answering me most of the times. Jania is not answering me most of the times. Mohammed Patel is not answering me most of the times. So please remember now, these children will get the grade according to their appearance in the classes. Navya Patel. Navya Patel. Many of the times she also absent. Bhakti Thamar. Bhakti.
Yes.
Bhakti, you give me the answer. 8 meter 76 centimeter. Convert it into the centimeter. Convert it into the centimeters. 8 meter. Bhakti, 8 meter 72 centimeter.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Faster. Priyag Trivedi.
It
Yes, Bhakti.
870, 872
872 centimeter.
centimeter.
Yes, Priyag Trivedi.
Yes, ma'am.
Priyag, now the question is based on the second concept. Convert it into the meter and centimeter. So the question is 5,432 centimeter. Convert them into meter and centimeter.
5,000
5,432.
50 54 meter 32 centimeter.
Very good. Next child. Yuk Surana. Yuk Surana. Next child. Ahana.
Yes, ma'am.
4,206 centimeter. Convert them into meter and centimeter. 4,206. 4206 is the number, is in centimeter. Convert them into meter and centimeter. So how many meters and how many centimeters?
Excuse. 4, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, 4.
4 meters. It's 4,206. 4206. So how many digits will go in the meters and how many will go in the centimeters?
Ma'am, can you scroll it down?
It is only 2 sums are there in this concept.
Ma'am, my full done.
Okay. Ahana,
Ma'am, can you scroll it a little up?
my dear Avarina Varija, do little fast because many of them are on the second question.
Ma'am,
Yes,
complete.
Ahana.
Ma'am, may I answer? Ma'am, 40 meters.
Ahana, you write somewhere on the paper that the number is 4,206, means 4206. So how many will be the meters and how many will be the centimeters of this number?
1 centimeter. So,
Please mute yourself.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Which child is this?
Ma'am, Rishik.
Yes, Rishik, can you please give me the answer which I am asking?
Yes, ma'am. It is 4,206 centimeter divided by 100, 42 millimeter and 6.
Millimeter, no, 42 meter.
Yeah, ma'am. 42 meter and 6 centimeter.
Yes, and I request you, you need to give me the answer by your own. Okay, don't take help from anyone because when I am explaining in the class, you are present in the class. Based on the class, you give me the answers. Okay. Ahana, few of the students
Yeah,
are
ma'am.
still there who need to practice a lot. Okay. So I am going to send you this worksheet also, your classwork, your today's worksheet based on the today's concept, plus your revision also. All the three things you will get in the classwork.
Ma'am, I have one question.
Let me explain first. Your classwork and your today's worksheet you will get in the mathematics folder, and your revision you will get in the revision folder. Am I clear with you all? If no queries, you can leave. Thank you, children, for your today's class.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.